The following message is transmitted at the request of local authorities. At 11:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a bus crashed into the St. Lucie nuclear power plant, causing significant damage and a failure as a result. An immediate evacuation order has been issued for all residents within a 15-mile radius of the plant. Make sure you bring an emergency supply of food, water, clothing, a first aid kit, flashlights with extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio. Follow local evacuation routes which have been marked by local authorities, and only use one vehicle. Do not return to the warning area until the all clear has been given. If you are not in the evacuation zone, stay where you are. Do not use the telephones or cell phones except for emergencies. Stay tuned to local news media outlets for further details and information on this situation.